Hey, it's time for another
Everyday Getaway.
And it's Tuesday, so we're back in the kitchen.
And it's time for Did Somebody Say Desserts? And hey, we got something fun today we found. We're going to make some cookies and cream ice cream that's made with light corn syrup.
Let's give it a try.
We'll try it out. We'll see how it works out. All right, we're going to start with 2 cups of cold whipping cream. It said it had to come from the fridge, so I've already got it measured out. We put it back in the fridge to be cold. And we're going to whip this until we get some soft peaks, about 1 to 2 minutes. And then we will pause, kind of scrape down the sides, and whip it for about another 30 seconds. Got some soft peaks. We're just going to go a little bit more anyway, so we're going to wipe down the sides and get sure all that whipping cream is down in there to get whipped. And we'll whip for another 30 seconds or so. Alright, I think we got some nice peaks there, so that's ready. Now we're going to mix up some other things and then fold it into this mixture.
Okay, so I'm going to put in a cup of the sweetened condensed milk. And then I'm going to put in a 1/4 cup of milk. I'm going to add to that a 1/4 cup of corn syrup.
And it's light corn syrup. I don't know if that makes a difference, but...
Okay, so I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then I'm going to mix it all together. Nice and easy recipe here to make some ice cream with.
All right, we're going to take this milk mixture and we're going to put about half of it, it says drizzle it over the top of the whipped cream. We're going to fold it in, and then we're going to go back and put the second half and fold it in until you don't see like the milk itself. You see just one mixture, and it is a fold. It's very light and airy. Hopefully it remains that way. I believe that's what it's supposed to be. Got the second half of the milk mixture with the vanilla and the salt and the syrup. We used a store brand light corn syrup. This is actually a K-Row syrup recipe, and I will probably post this recipe in the, or link it in the description since there's some specific directions.
Okay, so I'm going to fold in about 20 chopped up chocolate sandwich cookies.
I'm hoping this does well for the ice cream, but even as a mousse, it looks pretty good. Okay, Doug's getting those all mixed up. Almost ready to get in the freezer. All right. We're going to take this mixture and pour it into either a 9-inch round pan, or I have an 8-inch baking dish. It says either one is fine. We're just going to load it up in here. It's going to go into the freezer for approximately 8 hours or overnight. And then it should be ice cream time. All right, before it goes in the freezer, you cover it with plastic wrap and also a layer of Reynolds wrap. And we already fought with the plastic wrap since that's such a pain. So I'm just going to cover it one direction, make sure it's sealed best I can. We don't want any freezer taste to get to it. Oil over top. I'm sure you could do another layer, or maybe even if you have a sealed container that you can use in the freezer. And we're gonna wish it good luck, little ice cream. We'll see you in 8 hours. All right, so we've left our ice cream in the fridge for about 7 hours. It says 8 to overnight, but it looks frozen to us, so we're just gonna go ahead and give it a taste. So we're gonna unwrap it, take the foil off, plastic wrap off. They say let it set about 20 minutes. I think that's just so you can scoop it easily, but I think we can scoop with just this ice cream scoop. I think we can do it. So we're gonna scoop it up and give it a try. Lots of cookies in there. And it scoops okay. Probably could set a little bit longer, but it is like a little bit of soft ice cream. Oops, making a mess. Come on, Tammy. All right. It's got texture, a little bit soft ice cream, but not really soft serve, just fluffy. Lots of cookies in there. It's got good flavor. I might put a little bit more vanilla in it, but it's very good. The cookies, you can taste them. The ice cream itself tastes like a soft whip ice cream. I like it.
Okay, so I'm going to give this a try. I really like it. It has good flavor, has good texture. I think it has just the right amount of vanilla flavor in it. Nice cookies in there. I would recommend making this, and I'd probably do it again. Hey, if you could take a second and like this video,
Like it and
share it,
share it,
and if you haven't already, please subscribe.
Woohoo! It made a good amount of ice cream after we both had those cupfuls. We put the rest in a Tupperware to save, and it's a bowl full, so we should have enough to have a couple more evening treats from.
Okay, so what do you think?
I really liked it. I would definitely do it again, and I think you could use different kinds of flavors of cookies.
Yeah, I thought it was really easy. I liked it.
And most of the stuff was stuff we had at home. We ended up buying, the only thing we had to purchase was we bought whipping cream, and a lot of times we'll have it, but we didn't have that, and we bought the cookies.
Hey, so give it a try. Let us know if you liked it. And if you've had other flavors, let us know about that.
Or if you have an idea for another dessert, we'll throw it in and give it a try. All right, take care of yourselves, take care of others, and we will see you soon.
Bye-bye.
Join us next Tuesday as we make a no-bake peanut butter pie.